The sample receiving end circle diagram is given here. In x-axis we are going to take real power in megawatt. In y-axis we are going to take reactive power in megavar. Consider that the center point is lying in third quadrant. From the point O, draw the straight line to connect the origin at an angle of beta minus alpha. From the origin point, draw a line in the values of VR into IR at an angle of theta R. Connect the points 0 to point P, which gives the radius of this circle. Right? In the given problem here, we are going to find the sending end voltage by drawing the receiving end power circle diagram. Consider the given problem as short transmission line. For the short transmission line, the ABCD parameters are A vector, which is equal to A at an angle of alpha. Here magnitude of A value is 1 and angle alpha, which is equal to 0. Then B, which is equal to modulus of B at an angle of beta. The value of B, which is equal to impedance Z. In the problem, the resistance and reactance values are given as 6 and 20, and the impedance values are 6 plus j20, and convert into the magnitude and angle values. The magnitude is 20.88 at an angle of 73.30. The value of C equal to 0. The value of D, which is equal to A and which is equal to 1 at an angle of 0. The receiving end voltage is given as 33 kV, which is a line voltage. Convert this line voltage into a phase voltage, which is equal to 17.05 kilovolt. The receiving end power PR is given as 25 megawatt. Similarly, the power factor is mentioned as 0.8. From that, the theta R, which is equal to 36.8 degrees. In next step, we are going to calculate the receiving end current, which is equal to the formula for receiving end current is PR divided by root 3 into line voltage into cos theta R. By substituting all the values, the current, which is approximately equal to 547 amperes. The angle value beta minus alpha, which is equal to 73.30. Using this, we are going to calculate the cos beta minus alpha and sin beta minus alpha. First, we are going to calculate the center point. The point has two coordinates. One is horizontal coordinate, another one is vertical coordinate. In horizontal coordinate, the formula is minus A VR phase value square divided by B into cos of beta minus alpha. By substitute all the values, the real power value is minus 5 megawatt. Similarly, vertical coordinate or reactive power coordinate is calculated as minus 16 megawatt. In step 1, locate the center point in XY axis or ordinary graph sheet. The center point is marked as O. Take a graph sheet and mark x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 megawatt, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 megawatt, so that in total graph 1 centimeter equal to 2 MVA. First, we are going to mark the center point. The coordinates of the center points are minus 5 and minus 16. So from minus 5 and minus 16, find the center as O. How to draw this line? The beta minus alpha angle value is 73.30. The center point is lying in third quadrant. So mark this as a negative minus 73.30. then draw the line from center point to the origin point. Then in step 2, find VR into IR, which is equal to VR values 19.05 into 10 to the power 3, IR is 547, which is equal to 10.42 MVA. In XY axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 MVA, so that we are getting 5.21 centimeter. How to draw the line from the origin point to point P? Right, first mark the angle theta R, which is equal to 36. First mark the angle 36.8 degrees. So mark the angle 36. Then from the origin point draw the line for 5.21 centimeter. Then connect the origin point into point P. In step 3, from the graph measure the distance OP. Then I am getting approximately 13.2 centimeters. So here OP equal to 13.2, 1 centimeter equal to 2 MVA, and we are getting 26.4 MVA. Then OP gives the radius of the circle. From the radius formula is VS VR divided by B. From this formula we are going to calculate the sending end voltage VS. VS equal to 29 kV. Then converting this voltage into line voltage, we are getting 50.22. Finally, in the diagram, take the center point and radius 13.2 centimeter, draw the arc.